Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, CAIO'S Mad Tech. I'm going to show you guys how I made this MK3 Ironman helmet in less than 2 days. So basically I use my MK3 Prusa and my Ender 5 Pro CREALITY. So stay tuned, I'll show you exactly how I made that. So guys, the files I chose for this helmet, it's old Ironman helmet MK3. It's on Thingiverse and it says Rev 2020 underneath the name there, so easy to find. So let's download the files. Just wait a couple of seconds. There we go guys, and that's the file there. So you can see he's got the back, ears, helmet, full, part 1, part 2, mask. Alright, let's so I will upload the file to my browser, and there we go. I'm using a browser PLA as well for that. So there we go. Tune. There you go. Should just mesh the bed, and then it should start printing shortly. Okay. No. Okay. Right, I've sprayed the prime on the helmet. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use CC 1500 sandpaper just to sand the helmet.